Why men find blonde women attractive. You don't have to be genius to realize that people have different tastes even when it comes to mate selection. Some men might prefer brunette women, others might prefer blonde women, while a third group of men might prefer black women. But while tastes can be very different, there is still no doubt that a large group of men find blondes to be extremely attractive. Of course, this selection mechanism is based in the unconscious mind, and so most men won't be aware that the same things that attract them to women are actually an indication of the women's fertility and health. But the important question here is, what kind of advantage does a blonde woman have over other women that make her more fit for childbearing? According to one theory, blondes have a fair skin which can easily allow men to see any defects or diseases. As a result, the health quality of a blonde can easily be detected by the men's subconscious minds. According to another theory, blondes usually have lower levels of testosterone, and as a result they are more likely to have facial features that appeal to men, such as small noses and chin. According to this theory, it's not the hair color that mattered as much as the woman's facial features and body shape did. In addition to all of this, it's very easy to detect signs of youth when looking at a blonde. This gives blondes another advantage given the fact that men's brains were designed to look for youthful females. Psychological factors that make blondes attractive. In addition to the previous biological factors, there are also possible psychological factors that could have made blondes seem more attractive to men. The fact that blondes are rare in many countries make them seem like a catch to many men. In my previous article, How the Available Options Affect the Relationship Partner Choice, I explained how the limited number of available options can make some people appear more attractive to us than others. The rules of supply and demand actually apply to relationships, and this is why the limited supply of something can make it more attractive to us. Now let's add to this the powerful effect of the media and the way they present blondes, and you will realize why some men think very highly of blondes. When a person believes that another person is rare, then attraction is more likely to happen. With only 2% of the world's population being blonde, it makes a lot of sense that men find them attractive. And as if all of this was not enough, blondes have the advantage of standing out from crowds, especially in cities where blondes are rare. The fact that blondes stand out make them more noticeable to men and more likely to attract a larger number of men than other women. All of this usually makes the blonde a perfect choice for the showy man who wants a trophy wife. Do other women have a chance? Of course. The attraction to blondes doesn't mean that men don't like other types of women. In one study, it was found that even though men rated brunettes as highly attractive, they still approached blondes more often. Men who like blondes might also like brunettes, and probably things will work the other way around. Men do care about looks, but they usually won't care about choosing specific colors as much as they will care about factors indicating fertility and youthfulness.